How to use DDB review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. DDB is a global advertising and marketing agency, and beginners often misunderstand how to leverage its services effectively. Here's how to use DDB properly. The first mistake is not defining clear objectives. Most people get this wrong by approaching DDB without a strategy. Outline your campaign goals, target audience, and figures before engaging with the agency. Second mistake, neglecting collaboration. You won't believe how many clients leave communication minimal. DDB thrives on collaboration. Regular feedback and meetings improve campaign results. Third mistake, ignoring analytics. The surprising truth is that DDB provides detailed metrics on performance. Beginners often overlook reports or fail to adjust strategies based on insights. Fourth mistake, expecting instant results. Marketing campaigns take time. Beginners sometimes pull budgets too early. Trust the process, monitor performance, and tweak campaigns for optimal outcomes. Finally, not leveraging full-service capabilities is common. DDB offers creative, digital, and media planning services. Use the full suite to maximize impact rather than only hiring for a single service. By setting clear objectives, collaborating closely, analyzing data, being patient, and utilizing all services, you'll get the most out of DDB. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your marketing campaigns will perform more effectively.